In this video, I will show you step by step how to recover your Gmail password if you've forgotten it. So, first of all, open your Gmail login page just like I'm showing here. Once you're there, enter the email address you're trying to log into and then click on Next. Normally, you'd enter your password on this page, but if you've forgotten it, don't worry, you can easily recover it. Just click on the Forgot Password option below the password box. Now, the first recovery option Google might show you depends on how your account is set up. If you've added a screen lock, fingerprint, or face recognition on your device, it will ask you to verify using one of those options. Simply tap on the method that works for you and follow the on-screen instructions. But if you can't use that method or don't have access to it, click on Try another way to move forward. Next, Google might offer to send a verification code to your registered phone number. This is part of two-step verification. You'll see a message saying that a code will be sent to your linked number. If you still have access to that phone, tap on Send and then enter the code you receive via text message. This helps confirm that the account really belongs to you. But in case you no longer have that phone number, don't worry, you can still continue. Just click on Try another way again. After that, Google will give you another recovery option using your recovery email address. You'll see a list of your connected recovery emails. Choose the one you can access. Then, open that recovery email account, check your inbox for a verification code from Google, and copy it. Come back to the Gmail recovery page and enter that code exactly as it appears. Once you enter the correct code, Google will confirm your identity and allow you to create a new password for your Gmail account. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. After setting your new password, you'll be able to log back into your Gmail account easily. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Gmail password and regained access to your account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel.